I don't know. Couldn't be me. I don't even got a dad. I might kick him over there.
I'm taking the same question quickly so y'all don't cheat.
Who did that?
Did what?
Spray water at me.
Why don't you ask the cop with a water bottle?
Go to the principal's office.
But that was
Go to the principal's office.
I'm tired of this shit, bro. Stop playing so much. I'm trying to learn. All right, so today class.
That's all I know.
Bro, why y'all being so loud? I'm trying to focus. Like,
Give me your phone.
give me your phone. You take my phone, I take your phone. You want your phone back? Give me my phone back. If I never get my phone back, you never get your phone back. Do you?